In this video, I am now going to show you how you can copy information from one display panel to another without the use of the software. So in order to do that, you will need a LAN cable, which you will be connecting between the two screens. But first, let us change each display panel needs to have its own code as well. So at the moment they are both called 1. So if I use the remote, I'll switch it on by pressing enter. I'll go to function, and if I go to function 6, 6-1, and I'll press enter, you can see they both are called 1. So I need to change one of them. So I'm going to change the one that I want to copy from. I should probably first show you that the calling information only comes up on the 1. So I want this information to show on the second screen as well. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug the screen that I want to copy to, so that I can change this screen's code. So I'll use function on the remote, and I'll go to function 6-1. I'll press enter, and now I'm going to change this to a 2. So I just press 02 on the remote, and I'll press confirm. It will tell me setting success, and I just exit by pressing the function key. So now basically the two screens have different addresses, which now allows me to copy from one screen to another. And I'm also going to go ahead and remove this remote from the top screen so that it does not interfere for when I'm copying. Okay, so now my remote is no longer programmed to the top screen, and I'm going to plug this one back in. Okay, once again the calling information is still on the top one, and I now want to put it onto the bottom one. So I'm going to use the LAN cable, and the screens have two ports on the side. There is one that is called BUS in and one that is called BUS out. So I'm going to put the first screen, the one that I'm copying from, I'm going to put it into the BUS out. And the screen that I want to copy to, I'm going to put the other end of the LAN cable to the BUS in. Okay, now I'm going to use the remote, which is programmed to the bottom screen only. I'll press enter to switch it on. I'll go to function, and I will go to function 8. So I press 8 on the remote, and 8-1 I just press enter, and now I have to put the screen address that I want to copy from. So I named the top one 02, so I will now change this to a 02 so that I can copy the information from this screen to the bottom one. I'll press confirm on the remote. It will say copy. Press enter again, and we'll just give it a second or two. It means it's busy copying. You can see at the bottom it's got a little dot, so we'll just wait for that to finish. It's now taking all the information that is programmed on the top screen and taking it into the bottom screen. It is a much easier method if you use the software, but if you don't have the software available at the time, then you can also do this. The only thing is you need to have both screens able to switch on. So if there was a lightning damage, for instance, to the one screen, then you will not be able to do this. There we go, successful. So now all you need to do, you can just exit this by pressing the function key on the remote, and if you press the button now, it shows on both screens. So that is how you copy information from one B-900 to another using the LAN cable. Thank you very much.